Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Chrome and signing into the profile you want to change. This ensures bookmarks and settings stay linked. Click the profile icon at the top right, note the current Google email, then sign out if needed. Once done, make sure you have the new Google account username, password, and access to the two-step verification device. Otherwise, you may be blocked later. This step sets up identity and sync boundaries so the switch will be safe and reversible. Next, add the new account to Chrome so you can transfer data. Click the Profile menu, choose Add or Manage People, then Add Person, sign into the new Google account and accept sync prompts. When you enable sync, pick what to merge: bookmarks, passwords, history, because that controls what moves versus what stays separate. If you want a clean profile, turn off sync for items you don't want. Once you confirm, Chrome will populate the profile with the new mail identity. Finally, switch to the new profile and verify the displayed email at the profile icon. This confirms Chrome uses the new mail ID for sync and autofill. If you no longer need the old account on this device, remove it or disable sync for that profile to avoid accidental merges. If things go wrong, sign out of all Chrome profiles, clear cache and cookies, then sign back in. Make sure your two-step verification device is nearby, because authentication failures cause most sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.